Hi everyone! Today I will be teaching you how to use the audio editing tool called WavePad by NCH. To start your project, you will need to either start a recording or upload an existing file. To start a recording, make sure that your recording device is connected to your computer and that you have the specific recording device chosen from the Recording Options tab. Then you can press the record button on the bottom left of your screen to start your recording, and then press the stop button whenever you are finished. Or if you do not have a recording device, you can just press the recording button on the bottom left of your screen and record using your computer's microphone, then press stop whenever you are finished. To upload a file that you already have on your computer, click on the Open tab and then browse to your specific file. This long red line is your editing cursor. You can click and drag to edit a specific part of your music. On the Home tab, you can join, cut, copy, paste, mix, silence, or volume. To join two songs together, you can open another tab, open an existing file, or record a new one, and insert that file into the second tab. Now you can go back to your first tab, go to the very front, click Join, Batch Join, select the songs that you wish to add together, press All, and Batch Join. Now one song follows the other. Or, if you wish to mix two songs together, you can once again click the front of the song, click Mix, Mix with File, choose the song you want to mix, and now both songs will be playing simultaneously. Remember that you can always click the undo button to remove any last actions that you have done. You can also click and drag anywhere in the song to add silence. Or you can trim the silence that is at the beginning or ending or in the middle of a song. You can also adjust the volume of the music to amplify it, normalize it to one level, fade in or fade out. You can zoom in by pressing this little magnifying glass on the bottom and select your specified area. Go back to volume, press fade in, and apply. And now you have a faded in song. You can now go to the end and do fade out for the ending of your song. Now you can go to the editing tab to see the different editing tools like split, join, trim, redact, and more. To split files apart, go to the editing tab, select split, and it will split the audio into different files that you can edit later. Wherever your cursor is, you can select split at cursor, and it will add more pieces of the audio for you to edit. If songs or audio have silence at the beginning or at the end, you can go ahead and use the trim button. You can trim the start, the end, or auto trim the start and the end. The Amplify tool helps you to adjust the volume of the audio file. You can either gain percentage or lower the gain percentage, and then apply it to your audio. You can also normalize the volume by going to the Levels tab, then to the Normalize button. You can either auto normalize it, or you can normalize it according to your specifications. By going to Levels and Compress, you can lower or raise the threshold of the compressor to either squish or elongate the sound of your audio. And now it is very tiny. You can also add basic, popular, and pro effects to the sound, such as fantasy, locations, people, sci-fi, speaker, strange and silly, or auto-tune like a robot. You can also reduce the vocals, isolate the vocals, cause it to echo, phaser, or vibrato. The Pro also does DirectX effects and low pass filter. You can also adjust the speed of the audio by pressing on the speed change button. Go to the speed adjust percentage, adjust it how you like, and then apply it. You can also adjust the pitch of the voice however you like, whether you want it to be higher pitched or lower pitched, and apply that as well. Lastly, you can also reduce the voice or isolate the voice on your audio clips. You can reduce the voice using WavePad's machine learning, the parametric vocal reduction, or simple channel subtraction to remove center audio. You can also isolate the voice on a light, medium, or aggressive setting. To save your audio, you can go to your tab, right-click, click Save File. You can also go to the Home tab, click Save File As, rename your file, and save it wherever you want. That's all for now, guys. Have a good day.